Doors are essential elements of your home, providing security, insulation, and aesthetic appeal. However, with Bluffdale's varying climate, your doors face the challenges of seasonal changes that can impact their longevity. Regular door maintenance is an effective way to ensure your doors stay functional and look great for years. By taking a few simple steps, you can protect your doors from weather damage, prevent costly repairs, and maximize their lifespan. Why regular maintenance matters for Bluffdale doors. Bluffdale experiences a wide range of temperatures, with hot, dry summers and chilly winters. These shifts can take a toll on doors, causing materials like wood to warp, expand, or contract. Metal components, such as hinges and locks, can also suffer from rust and corrosion due to seasonal humidity. Regular maintenance helps prevent these issues by ensuring your doors are in top shape year-round, ultimately saving you money on repairs or replacements. Key benefits of door maintenance: enhanced durability. Regular maintenance allows you to catch and address small issues before they escalate into bigger problems. For example, a minor crack in a wood door can be filled and refinished to prevent moisture from causing it to expand. A well-maintained door resists weather-related wear and tear, lasting significantly longer than one left unchecked. Improved energy efficiency. Doors that are properly sealed and maintained keep your home insulated, reducing energy costs. Sealing cracks and gaps ensures that your heating and cooling systems work efficiently, helping maintain a comfortable indoor environment in both winter and summer. Increased security. A door with a misaligned latch or loose hinge can compromise the security of your home. Regular maintenance ensures that all parts are in good working order, providing you with peace of mind knowing your home is well protected. Enhanced aesthetic appeal. Doors contribute significantly to the first impression of your home. By keeping them clean, polished, and free from wear, you enhance the curb appeal and overall look of your property. Simple maintenance tips to extend the life of your doors. Here's a list of easy maintenance tips to help you extend the life of your Bluffdale doors. Clean doors regularly. Doors accumulate dirt, dust, and debris over time, especially on exterior doors exposed to the elements. Regularly cleaning your doors with a gentle soap and water solution helps prevent the buildup of grime. For wooden doors, use a specialized wood cleaner to avoid stripping away the protective finish. Remember to clean the frames, handles, and hinges too, as these areas often collect dust and can become corroded if neglected. Inspect and lubricate hinges and locks. Hinges and locks are crucial parts of any door, ensuring smooth opening and closing. Over time, these metal parts can become stiff or even rust, especially in areas with fluctuating humidity like Bluffdale. Lubricate the hinges and locks every 6 months to keep them functioning smoothly. Silicone-based lubricants are generally best for door hardware as they don't attract dust and dirt. Seal gaps and replace weather-stripping gaps around your doors. Allow air drafts to enter and exit your home, impacting energy efficiency. Check the door frame for any visible gaps and install weather stripping to prevent air leakage. Over time, weather stripping can wear out and lose its effectiveness, so it's essential to replace it periodically. This simple step keeps your home insulated and protects your door from warping due to temperature changes. Apply protective coatings. Wooden doors benefit from a layer of protective finish, such as varnish or polyurethane, to shield them from moisture and UV rays. In Bluffdale's dry summers, UV rays can fade and weaken wood over time, while moisture from winter snow or rain can cause rot. Refinishing your wood doors every 1-2 years will keep them resilient against these environmental factors. Metal doors can also benefit from a protective coat of paint to prevent rust. Check for cracks or warping. Wooden doors are particularly vulnerable to changes in humidity, which can cause them to expand or contract, leading to warping. Every season, inspect your doors for any signs of cracks or warping and address issues early. Minor cracks can often be filled with wood filler and sanded, followed by a fresh coat of paint or finish. When to call a professional. Some door maintenance tasks may require professional help, particularly if you notice extensive warping, damage, or difficulty in adjusting the hinges. A door specialist can realign doors, replace damaged hardware, and ensure your door frame is secure. Annual professional inspections can be a wise investment to catch any significant issues before they affect your door's longevity. Conclusion: in Bluffdale, where the weather changes dramatically, maintaining your doors is essential for durability, energy efficiency, and aesthetic appeal. By regularly cleaning, lubricating, sealing, and inspecting your doors, you can ensure they remain in top condition for years to come. These simple maintenance steps will help you protect your investment, reduce repair costs, and enjoy beautiful, functional doors in your home.